Tangsalo Nirmahal Berainani Thangkha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Aro bono lamjo sogina harka DM Nagesh Kumar B Hangor police ni bukhakte reza khabono guard of honor Tripura hosteo Hastepha ungi famani yaglo Hasteni kabama hangor tai bukhaste amsayo thangi shoika Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Hasteni lukorok Hastete haktor hapani dalbital shep shabro kahamke mani detong abono shalbrumno chaitogui naisho muitongu Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Paithago Tangsal Fungo Nirmahal Berainani Thangkha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Tangsal Fungo Rudrasagar ni Tripura Berainani Hastepha Aro bono lamjo sogina harka DM Nagesh Kumar B Hangor police ni bukhakte reza khabono guard of honor Aboni yaglo Nirmahal ni naithokmani Berainani Hastepha Kisha Zororomo Nirmahal katika Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy
Even if it is a small state, it is having tourism spots, Chabimura and other places, Gomati River boating and like Nirmahal. And Nirmahal is having a special status for its such type of mahal in the water. It is not there in entire country except Jaipur. So big scope is there for tourism, and the government has to take even already taking the steps by calling G20 people here, and it has developed. It needs more for even for tourists to attract. I will give my suggestions. The private people, those who can stay here, that will be the better. In other areas also we are thinking, and particularly in northeast, central government also encouraging for tourism. So this is one of the spot where we can improve further.
Nirmahal naithok mano thangai naraknani bagai Hastepha pangoi kok sanai hini bosaka Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Bureau Report Chini Khorang